Oh my god, it's so hot in here.
Yeah, I wish we had one of those portable fridges.
Oh my god!
This is Sylvester Stallone, our most famous customer.
Hi, I'm American movie star Sylvester Stallone. You may recognize me from movies such as Rambo and Rocky. But I've taken time off my very stressful career to talk to you about the personal mini fridge. It is portable, which is why I call it personal. They don't get it. Just don't get it. Hi! This is the portable mini fridge. It may look like just a box, but it's more than a box. It's a portable mini fridge. It keeps my drinks cold when I'm icing people out in Vietnam, or I'm just having punch-ups on Rocky. Portable mini fridge.
The portable fridge is really sweet. It's the coolest fridge you'll ever meet. It keeps things cool while you're looking cool. The portable fridge is really sweet.
Call in the next 10 minutes. We'll give you a free drink bottle. The number is that you call is
555 555.
And Sylvester Stallone's number is
555.
only call for questions and query.
Advised by the American government, Canberra.